Concrete, concrete. So keep a sleep and come as a sleep, brother.
What? No man, it doesn't matter something more.
Stop worry about that, man. Come in, come in, come in. Give me some concrete. Don't worry about the move.
I'm not going to water, man. Man, I'm not going to water, because I'm not a style. Yo, to the man that don't like concrete, I go and grab that. Yo. What you say? When I work, I drop the water. Yo, what you say? Give him some water, I'm with him. We dead. Raise him up. Raise him up. Well up here. Help him. You're not going like you can't done work, you can't done, you have blood clot. Well him. Come help me now. Give me a foot. Put him down. Can this man come put on there? See if you recover. You're alright, man. Alright. You're alright, you know. In the come to. Okay. Well, like you can't done work. Stop. Don't be alarmed, it's only acting as you already know, you see it. Yeah, so I don't know, you have a lot of people who unfortunately them born with a sickness, you don't get fits or epilepsy, whatever they call it, you see it. So we as Jamaican, you know we have one Jamaican remedy for every situation, for every sickness. So what you think is best for when a person have fits, you know, like what the most important thing to do at that very instant, the very moment. I don't know, leave a comment down there, so remember to like, share and subscribe. You hear me? Gone back on the work. Alright. Yo, come here with the bucket there. The bucket, brother. Yo, all that number you out, I want to know. The bucket up. Oh, yeah.